Hi, I'm Nick. In this video, we'll show you how easy it is to install your SquareKicker template so you can get started with your Squarespace website. If you already installed your template and you're ready to start building, you can jump over to the second video in this series, how to add pages and sections to your website. In this video, we'll guide you from the template store through the dashboard to the SquareKicker extension where you can install your template in just a few clicks. Okay, let's install your template and create a website you're proud of in no time. Once you've chosen your template in the store, click Buy Template. You'll be prompted to create a SquareKicker account or log in if you already have one. Next, you'll be taken to the checkout page to complete the payment. Once this is done, you'll be in the SquareKicker dashboard. Awesome! In the dashboard, you can connect your template to a Squarespace website. If you don't have a Squarespace website yet, no problem. Click Connect next to your template, and then Start Squarespace Website. This will take you to Squarespace to create a new website. Once there, click Start with this design. If you don't have a Squarespace account, you'll be prompted to make one at this point. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. If you already logged in, it will take you straight into your website. Once you've created a Squarespace website, head back to the dashboard to continue installing SquareKicker. Alternatively, if you already have a Squarespace website, you can click Connect with Squarespace to install your template on your existing site. You can even do this on a website that you already have SquareKicker installed on. Finally, to install SquareKicker, copy the installation script and open your website's Squarespace config panel. Then paste the script into the code injection header and save. It's now time for the magic to happen. A pop-up installing window will open in Squarespace. Simply follow the steps in this window to install your template, just like that. After installing your template, any existing site styles will be replaced by your template settings. Existing pages on your site will remain, but will look different with these new styles. It's easy to modify Squarespace site styles to reflect your brand. Watch the next video in the series, How to Add Pages and Sections to Your Website, to start building your site now. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to install your SquareKicker template, and we're happy to support you every step of the way. Thanks for watching.